Welcome everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we'll be working through Surya Namaskar A, Sun Salutation A. So if you're short on time, this is a great all-round practice. We'll activate each and every part of the body, working into muscle strength and endurance, and also maintaining cardiovascular health. So let's get in touch with the breath right away. Maybe bringing the hands to the center of the body, standing in strong mountain pose here. Samastiti with the hands and the heart. And find your natural breath rhythm that you'll be taking into the practice. And when we're ready, let's step to the front of the mat, spreading the toes, grounding down through the legs. Activate each muscle in the leg, pelvis tucked slightly in, elbows, shoulders away from the ears, and inhale the hands up to the sky. Tall mountain. Exhale, dive forward. Folding forward, getting the chest close to the thighs. You can have a bend in the knees. Inhale, lengthen the spine, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, step the left leg back, low lunge. Drive the chest forward, open the shoulders. Plant the hands and step the right foot back. High, strong plank. Exhale, lower down, all the way down to the mat. Release the toes. And pressing the thighs and pressing through the fingers, rising up to cobra. Exhale, release. Inhale, tucking the toes back. Take your chest back to the thighs and hips high for downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, gaze forward and step the left leg forward once more. Step the right foot in. Exhale, back into forward fold. Inhale, rise up. Tall mountain. Going for the other side. Exhale, release forward, forward fold. Each time we're getting deeper into the hamstrings. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, take the right leg back for low lunge. Open the heart. Plant the hands, step the left leg back. Plank, strong plank. Pushing the mat away, hips low. You can use the knees or chaturanga. Take the body down to the mat. Inhale, squeeze the elbows into the ribs, rise for cobra. Exhale, release. Inhale, work the body back, downward facing dog. Hips high, working into the back of the legs towards straight. Inhale, gazing forward first, step the right foot forward. Step the left foot in, hang in forward fold, Uttanasana. Working into the legs and then rising through the back, all the way to tall mountain, Utthita Tandasana. Take a breath here, and we'll do another round. Maybe taking it a little bit deeper, challenging yourself. Inhale, rise up tall mountain. Exhale, dive into forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Maybe the fingertips go down to the mat, otherwise keeping them on the shin. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, step the left leg back. Low lunge here. Planting the hands, step the right leg back. Squeeze and hold your plank. Get your hips low. Chaturanga, you can use the knees or take yourself down or hover up above the mat and come into upward facing dog. If that's okay and it's in your practice. Keeping the hips high, swinging back into down dog, otherwise using your knees as much as you need to. Exhale here. Inhale, gazing forward, step the left foot. Step the right foot. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rising up. Going for the other side. Take a breath. Inhale, tall mountain. Exhale, diving forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift, getting deeper into the spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right leg back, low lunge. Left leg back, squeeze and hold your plank. Going for your chaturanga version, either with the knees or straight legs hovering over the mat or going all the way down. Rising, upward dog or cobra. Exhale, down and back to downward facing dog, meeting here. Exhale, release. Inhale, gazing forward, step the right foot in. Step the left foot in. Exhale, fold. Getting deep into your folds now. Legs should feel warm. Inhale, rising up with a straight back. Exhale, ground down that energy, creating a bit of heat in the body. Thank you so much for practicing with me. And you can continue on as many sun salutes as you feel comfortable. It's a great practice, impacts the mind positively, works your whole body. Namaste.